Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Xbox Game Pass not working on Windows. Follow these quick steps. First, check your internet connection. Open your browser and load a website to make sure you are online. If the connection is weak, restart your router. Next, restart your PC. This may sound simple, but it clears background issues that stop Game Pass from opening. If the app still does not work, update it. Open the Microsoft Store, click Library, then Get Updates. Install any updates for the Xbox app or gaming services. If updating does not help, reset the Xbox app. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Xbox, click Advanced Options, and select Reset. This will not delete your subscription. You should also make sure your Windows is updated. Go to Settings, then Windows Update and install all available updates. Finally, sign out and back into the Xbox app. Open the app, click your profile icon, choose Sign Out, then sign in again. If none of these steps help, contact Xbox support and discuss your problem. Thanks for watching.